One of the characters in the book that you highlight is an American pilot, and American pilots did join this effort, Billy Fiske, and he was, from what I read, an Olympic bobsledder. Tell us a little bit about him.
Billy Fiske was a dude. He was really, he was he, he was an Olympic gold medalist. He
Hmm.
carried the flag at the 1932 Olympics. Um, so he was in the Olympics twice. He was known for just being this adventurous, swagging dare-do. He founded the ski resort in Aspen, Colorado, that still exists to this day. And he was the guy who had the forethought to say we need a ski resort here. Um, but he was also educated. He came from money. He was from Chicago, and he was educated in England. The company he worked for brought him home when the war broke out, but he wanted to go back. So he literally sailed on one of the last ships to leave New York for England just before September 1st, 1939.